Ramaswamy, for months you campaigned as a unifier. Then you stood up at the first debate and attacked all of your competitors as bought and paid for. The second debate, you changed your tune, saying, these are good people on this stage, admitting you can come across as a bit of a know-it-all and rejecting the practice of personal insults. By debate number 3, you called Nikki Haley corrupt, accused Ron DeSantis of wearing high heels, and told Ambassador Haley she should keep a closer eye on her daughter. Can you see how this has led some to conclude you are not, in fact, a unifier, and to question your authenticity?
Here's my issue with all 3 of my other colleagues on this debate stage. Is all 3 of them have been licking Donald Trump's boots for years. All 3 of them have been licking Donald Trump's boots for years.
But still support him, even if convicted of federal felonies, by the way. And let everybody know that they would still support him, even if convicted of federal felonies, by the way. Federal felonies which involve our election process, federal felonies which involve the most sensitive of our governmental secrets, federal felonies where he instructed others to commit crimes, folks who are now agreeing to go to jail because of what they did in his name, but still support him, even if convicted of federal felonies, by the way.
Here's the truth.
You're just
the easy answer.